Did you know that what we think affects our nutrition? Yes, you heard me right. What we think. You might be like, what? How does this affect my choices in food? I'm just hungry and in a bad mood, and I just want something fast and greasy and good and bad. In this new episode, we will learn more about how we can make better food choices. Welcome to My Kitchen Intuition. My name is Marita Lynn. Join us as we explore the power of positive mindset and its profound effect on our nutrition. In today's fast-paced world, we often overlook the impact our mindset has on our overall well-being. But did you know that having a positive mindset can significantly influence our nutrition and food choices? Our mindset, or the way we think and perceive the world, plays a crucial role in shaping our behaviors and decisions. When it comes to nutrition, our mindset can either support or hinder our efforts to maintain a healthy diet. Negative thoughts and beliefs about food can lead to unhealthy habits and food choices. We might be like, oh, nothing is gonna happen to us, nothing is happening to me, it's fine and good, it's gonna be one time, so we usually do that most of the time. But for instance, if we constantly tell ourselves that healthy food is tasteless or boring, we're more likely to opt for processed and unhealthy options. As a chef, I'm telling you right now, you can make delicious, healthy foods. Take that mindset, that way of thinking out of your brain, because we can make a beautiful and delicious veggie stew that you can actually find the recipe on my website, or there are other recipes that are just fresh and delicious and really easy accessible when you buy local. On the other hand, a positive mindset can transform our relationship with food. By cultivating a positive attitude towards nutritious meals, we can begin to appreciate the flavors, textures, and benefits they provide. It's a big difference. It's like one pole to the other. In one pole, we think that food is really bad, that it's boring, that I don't know how to cook, that it's tasteless. And the other pole, the positive one, we try. Even if we are not sure, we never have done before, we have that desire that we want to make a difference in our lives, and we're going to start choosing healthy ingredients and look for resources to make great meals with it. One way to develop positive mindset towards nutrition is through the use of affirmations. Who hasn't done it? Sometimes we don't even know we're affirming something because we're not aware. We might be doing affirmations that are positive or sometimes that are also negative. Affirmations are positive statements most of the time that we repeat to ourselves to reinforce positive beliefs and attitudes. By start talking to ourselves, by incorporating affirmations such as, I nourish my body with wholesome foods, or I choose foods that energize and support my well-being, we can rewire our thinking patterns and reinforce positive associations with healthy eating. A positive mindset also influences our approach to meal preparation. When we view cooking as an enjoyable and creative process, we're more likely to experiment with nutritious ingredients and try new recipes. I have a lot of recipes on my website. You can take a look. And this is with ingredients that are in season and they are good for you. And sometimes I talk about the properties, the nutritious properties that some ingredients talk. So you can find everything on my website, mykitchenintuition.com. And I hope it is a pool of resources for you to enjoy that activity of cooking, that art of cooking a lot of people are afraid to do. Additionally, a positive mindset can extend beyond our personal choices and impact those around us. When we approach mealtime with positivity and enthusiasm, we inspire others to make healthier choices and create supportive environments for everyone's well-being. We will create a ripple effect with the people that love us and we love. with people. We share the table and we share meals, and people will notice the changes that we're making in our lives. It's just a beautiful process. Mindfulness is another powerful tool that can enhance the impact of a positive mindset on nutrition. By practicing mindful eating, we can fully engage our senses and savor each bite, leading to greater appreciation for the nourishment our food provides. We are present when we eat, without the phone or without a computer or without watching TV. It's a different, I would say it creates a different experience when we eat. We will commune with the food, like the food and us will become one, and we'll be more mindful of how we nourish our body, of how we treat ourselves, and our body will just communicate with us. If the food is good, if we want to eat more, or we are satisfied with what we're eating. Is a different kind of process. Mindful eating helps us become more attuned to our body's hunger and fullness cues, allowing us to make informed decisions about when and how much to eat. Lastly, a positive mindset towards nutrition goes hand in hand with an active lifestyle. When we view exercise and physical activity as opportunities to nourish and strengthen our bodies, we're more likely to prioritize movements to make healthier choices overall. Just start engaging in activities that you enjoy. So it doesn't have to be a chore, something that you might start doing and then after a week you're done. Maybe walking in nature, or start doing yoga, or going to the gym, something that you're going to enjoy, that is going to help you enjoy the process. In conclusion, the power of a positive mindset cannot be underestimated when it comes to nutrition. It's so important what we think, and just making sure we're in the right mindset when making choices in food. By cultivating a positive attitude, using affirmations, as we spoke before, adopting a growth mindset, practicing mindfulness, and embracing an active lifestyle, we can transform our relationship with food and make the right choices that support our overall well-being. So let's harness the power of a positive mindset and unlock the full potential of our nutrition journey. Remember, every bite we take is an opportunity to nourish our bodies and cultivate healthier, happy life. My wish with this video is to make your life better, that you enjoy and are ready to make that decision, that important decision to make the right choices with your life, with your health, with your body, with the way you're eating. Engage in the kitchen, look for recipes, and really feel good. Do whatever is necessary so you can nourish your body and feel good with yourself. Thank you so much for being part of this video. It is my pleasure to share this information with you. If you like more of this information, please subscribe to my channel, My Kitchen Intuition. You can also visit my website, www.mykitchenintuition.com. I am taking some coaching calls right now, very limited at this time, but I have a lot of information on my website where you can look at blog posts and recipes and these videos that can help you. My intention with that is to make your life better.